Hello, everybody. Today we're going to look at poetry and you. So this is one of our Digital Photography 1 assignments. I went ahead and opened an image in Pixlr X, and I've already picked out my quote. The quote that I want to use is, "Broken crayons still color the same." So I'm looking at my image and I'm thinking, where does the text fit? I have a lot of negative space here, so I think it will fit really nicely here at the top. If you don't have room in your composition, you may want to think about bumping it down or changing or cropping your composition in some way. Now, the reason I'm in Pixlr X instead of Pixlr Editor is Pixlr X handles text so much better. It also has a lot of different fonts. All right, so I'm going to type my text here. I'm just hitting Control A and then delete to delete all the filler text. Broken crayons still color the same. All right, so I'm going to move this up here and I'm going to stretch it out a little bit because I want broken crayons and still to be on the same line. Okay, now one of the things you're going to notice right away is the default text is white here. So the white text on this light background does not work very well at all. And I'm also really not super crazy about this font. I would like to also pick perhaps a red. Remember, if you repeat colors in a composition, you will create unity. So I have this nice red right here, and then we have some black down here. But since Raggedy Ann is red, I'm going to go with a red and see how that looks. It's more of a burgundy. Again, not crazy about this font. Let's see what's out there. I don't want it super distracting. Let me think. I want it to be readable. I kind of like the idea of the curly font, but I don't know if that's really going to be readable. I wonder if I can reduce the spacing between that. Not crazy about that font either. I think I like that. All right, I think I need to capitalize all the first letters of these or keep them lowercase. I think that, all right, I think that looks a lot better. Broken crayons still color the same. You can play around with the spacing, play around with the spacing, leading, that kind of stuff. So once you have the text where you like it, you're going to go ahead and save the image. So I'm going to toggle my home button. No, where did it go? I want to save. Where'd you go? I got all these windows in the way. Oh, here it is. My picture was covering up. Here's the save button. All right, I don't want to overwrite my original file, so I'm going to call it Raggedy Ann 2, save it as a JPEG. It defaults to 90%. I want to save it as 100%, which is a high resolution image, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit download. And it's going to my Google Drive. Whoop, whoop. Looks like I downloaded it successfully. So I think this is done. Whoop, 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 whoop. Good luck.